Hey everyone, welcome back. If you were confused by Microsoft's naming conventions, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're settling the ultimate debate: Visual Studio versus Visual Studio Code. What's the actual difference, and which one should you be using for your projects? Let's get right to it. Let's talk about Visual Studio first. This is a massive, full-fledged integrated development environment. It's an absolute powerhouse designed specifically by Microsoft for building complex Windows desktop applications, massive .NET enterprise systems, and professional games using Unity or C++. Out of the box, it comes with advanced performance profilers, a drag-and-drop graphical interface builder, and incredibly deep debugging tools that are practically unmatched in the industry. The downside is it's a massive download. It consumes a ton of system memory, it's heavily optimized primarily for Windows, and the professional enterprise versions carry a very hefty price tag. On the flip side, we have Visual Studio Code, commonly known as VS Code. This is a completely different beast. It's a lightweight, blazing fast open source text editor that runs seamlessly on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Out of the box, it's essentially a highly polished, lightweight text editor, but the moment you click on the Extensions tab, it transforms into whatever you need it to be. Whether you're building web apps in React, trading machine learning models in Python, or writing enterprise back-end systems, there's a dedicated extension that gives you auto-completion, linting, and debugging. You're basically building your own perfect IDE tailored exactly to your workflow. So which one is actually better? It depends entirely on what you're building every day. If you're a dedicated C# developer building massive Windows applications or enterprise .NET architecture, Visual Studio is the undisputed champion and gives you everything you need on a silver platter. But if you're a full-stack web developer, you jump between different operating systems, or you just love customizing your setup to the absolute limit, Visual Studio Code is the absolute best choice. If this breakdown helped you clear up the confusion today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight to